This is a post-gate information series where today I will be discussing about the notification of IIT Bhubaneswar and the courses offered by the IIT for civil engineering undergraduate students. So, if you have already registered in COAP, then also you have to individually apply for the separate IITs. NITs will be in a different umbrella called CCMT. I will be making separate video for that particular procedure. So let's start with the IIT Bhubaneswar. It's better to just type IIT Bhubaneswar MTech Admission 2021 in Google. Then you will be getting this link directly. And if you go to this link, this page will be opened. And here also the link is given. That is, click here to visit COAP 2021 website for registration. If you have not already registered, then you can register through this link. Please remember the last date of application is 7th April, that is today itself. So please be very fast because IIT Bhubaneswar is a new IIT and we will be looking for the gate scores for the previous year closing gate scores, and we can see over there that there are opportunities for the students who have secured even little bit low gate score than the old and other top IITs like IIT Bombay, Madras, Kharagpur, Kanpur, Delhi, etc. Okay, so here in MTech program for 2021-22, they are offering multiple options. If you just go through all this thing, the most important part I will be discussing. See here, climate science and technology. Here also, the civil engineering undergraduates they can opt this offer, okay, or they can apply. Structural engineering, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, water resource engineering, and geotechnical engineering. They are of course the streams for the civil engineering students itself. Even anyone has appeared with ES paper, that is environmental science and engineering, he or she can apply for environmental engineering in IIT Bhubaneswar. If one have agricultural gate score, that is AG, he or she also can apply in the water resources engineering. Like that, you can go through the courses offered. Number of intakes are given, though that is not a big issue, but you have to keep in mind that they have already published this notification with a minimum percentage marks. You can see over here that is 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA in a 10-point scale in BTech or B or equivalent degree in civil engineering, and they need the valid gate score. So now if we quickly go through the previous year closing ranks or closing gate scores, right? Before that, you can have a very clear idea about the fee structure over here. Okay, shortlisting criteria is also given. That is the 70% weightage for gate score, that is minimum one has to provide. Okay, and 30% weightage can be given for the written test or interview. Okay, you can go through this. So IIT Bhubaneswar officially did not release any closing rank or score for previous years. This is another site from where I can refer, but I don't know whether it is authentic or not. But it seems reliable, as structural engineering is closing at 575 to 585, uh, around that. It is general category, general gate off, gate scored actually. This is okay. So transportation engineering is 545 to 555. So it is very much rational, okay, and reliable, as per my belief. Okay, and climate science and technology, you can see the general category cutoff, the gate score was very low. Okay, so this is the general scenario for IIT Bhubaneswar. That is why I told you to just apply if you have something around 550 or 600 get scored. Okay, so if you are not getting any other IITs, you can have this opportunity in IIT Bhubaneswar. This is, though this is for 2018-19 cutoff and 2017-18 also they are showing. This is also matching with this. Okay, so these data are consistent, so we can somehow uh, rely on this gate scores. Okay, so this is about IIT Bhubaneswar. Please be little hurry, and you just apply for IIT Bhubaneswar as the closing date is 7th April, that is today itself. Okay, thank you.